off the rim misery. Hate to see a good man fall prey to the motherfucking snakes of society. Under the sun, no light will outlast. No time for waiting, life moves so fast. Change your position and shall come to pass. A break in the glass, a break in the glass. Bring the night, our light will outlast. We can't relax when they move so fast. Change your position and shall come to pass. A break in the glass, a break in the glass.
Yeah, on this path of life, the task simply is don't let the trash tip be strictly keep it classic and you'll surpass quickly. Powers that be will keep us second guessing and asking the question, is the glass half full or half empty? Some stars burn out from fast entry while others last a century. It's the mind state of this entire country. They want us to embrace the superficial, make the masses feel special. While this empire, they run it corruptly. Some do it for the income, but we do it for the outcome. Some of us are active while others just let their mouth run. No doubt, son, this is not just about fun. We will not be outdone by these cowards who shout scum. Upgrade your faith just to match your vision, and your decisions will imprison from their natural prison. And if you listen, you can hear every stick in the grass, and you can see them through the break in the glass. Wake 'em at last, come on.
Under the sun, the light will outlast. No time for waiting, life moves so fast. Change your position and shall come to pass. A break in the glass, a break in the glass. Bring the night, our light will outlast. We can't relax when they move so fast. Change your position and shall come to pass. A break in the glass, a break in the glass.
Yeah, on this path of life, the task simply is don't let the trash tip be strictly keep it classic and you'll surpass quickly. Powers that be will keep us second guessing and asking the question, is the glass half full or half empty? Some stars burn out from fast entry while others last a century. It's the mind state of this entire country. They want us to